today the first time of watching this video, please and please and please like this video, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. On today's kitchen, I'm coming to prepare egg stew with yam. So let's see our ingredients. We have our minced tomatoes, our eggs, our chopped Scottish pepper, chopped onions, then our chopped bell peppers for garnishing, salt to taste, olive oil, chicken spices, and then our yam. So let's start with our recipe for today. Let's start. So I'm starting by cutting my yam into 2 pieces and then peel it. When the water is already on fire, it's cold, so let's peel it and put it on fire. It's very simple. I'm going to finish right now. Finish peeling it, so I'm cutting it into the size or the shape that I want. You can cut it any shape that you want. I'm cutting it round. Okay. Put it inside my water to wash it. Washing it, washing everything, and then remove the water from it, and then put another water on it again. Wash it for the second time. Then I put it onto my hot water to boil it. The water is ready, so I'm transferring it straight onto my hot water. Add a little salt to it. Going to finish right now. Very simple and quick one. Tastes good too with the egg stew. Hey, very adding a little bit of salt to it to make it delicious. Then you cover it. So we are done with our yam. We're coming to do our egg stew or our egg sauce. Excuse me. Add my olive oil. About 4 to 5 tablespoons the olive oil. So I've already added my Scottish pepper. Right now I'm adding my minced tomatoes. I use 1 thing minced tomatoes. And you stir it together with your onion and then Scottish pepper. I'm going to finish right now. So I'm covering it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Going to finish right now. my eggs. Don't worry, all the ingredients will be listed below the description box. So don't worry. I use 6 eggs. Stew. Don't want too much water on it. We're going to leave it for another 10 minutes. I'm adding my chicken spices. I use 1 tablespoon. Then you stir it. A little bit of salt. The reason why I added salt is because the chicken spices doesn't contain salt. It's vegetarian one. It doesn't contain salt. Let me taste it. I like the flavor too. So let's cover it. Just look at the stew. I'm adding my sardine. I'm adding everything together with the oil on it. I'm using 2. One has the slow on it, the other one too doesn't have it. You stir it together. Don't worry, I'm not going to break it, eh? Stir it. We cover it again. For 2 minutes. Then we add our eggs. And we are ready. Don't forget to try it, eh? Before I add my eggs, I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And then stir everything together. To mix it. Everything together. Before I add my eggs, I have to give it a little stir before. Have you seen it? Because of the sardine. Don't want it to be burnt. Then you add your eggs to it. Make it good and everything together. Then cover it. You have to make it a very low heat, eh? Not too much. Just see our egg stew. You seen it? I'm going to add my bell peppers right now to beautify the stew. Garnish it, okay? Love you. Almost done. going to cover it again for 3 or 5 minutes, and our sauce is ready. And look guys, our recipe is ready. Our yam with egg stew is ready. If today is the first time of watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. For those who have already subscribed to this channel, I say a very big thank you to you all. I love you, I love you, I love you. So let's enjoy the meal. You can also enjoy it in the evening, afternoon. In where I come from, my country, we don't mind in the morning, eh? Very delicious. Everybody is invited.